वेट करा. What is the data entry? Explain. Data entry is the process. Data entry is the process of transcribing information into an electronic medium, such as a computer or other electronic device. It can either be performed manually or automatically by using a machine or a computer. What do data entry jobs do? Data entry operator responsibilities include collecting and entering data in databases and maintaining accurate records of valuable company information. Our ideal candidate has essential data entry skills like fast typing with an eye for detail and familiarity with spreadsheets and online forms. What are the types of data entry? There are several types of data entry services. These include basic online formatting, conversion, and transcription. Basic data entry involves a specialist reading a document and typing it into a processing software. Online data entry involves the entry of information into an online form or portal. How easy is data entry? Data entry online looks like an easy way to get started working at home, and to some degree this is true. There are fewer barriers in terms of skills and education needed for those seeking work in this area. This makes data entry online a bit of a risky proposition for the worker. Which app is best for data entry? TeamScope, Android, iOS and web. Open Data Kit Android, Kobo Toolbox Android and web, Redcape Android, iOS and web, Magpie Android and iOS, JotForms mobile Android and iOS and web, Survey CTO Android and web, Comcare Android and web. And this is the picture of the sheet, and this sheet contains many of the data of people's and totally data entry is based on the software tools and has a lot of the information in a style sheet. You can see it has many people's means name of the company and creation date and Twitter joined date, Twitter joined day, country, CEO, founder, web and name of the company. For example, the narrative and creation date June 12, Twitter joined date October 2010, country Los Angeles, CEO2 founder Olin F. Altman, Web means a lot of people say different names, different countries, different creation date, all the information put in the style sheet, and user can get easily data by using the Excel sheet. Sheet is using in the data entry. Data entry is very important for our people who are working in jobs, in office, any kind of jobs. Data entry is very important. So the every data is so important by the manuals. In this time computers are developed and automatical things to be performed. Thank you so much.